huge relief. The overriding emotion the commander-in-chief felt and expressed, knowing how the men and women of the PNP fought tooth and nail, but under the most restrictive conditions, in extracting Pastor Quiboloy from hiding after an exhaustive 16-day search. Our Bien Manalo has more on a much grateful president on the restraint the police demonstrated all throughout in this report.
I'm happy that I'm glad that this is over. We can now resolve and look at the allegations that have been made against him.
That was the statement of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. following the surrender of Kingdom of Jesus Christ founder Pastor Apollo Quiboloy to the authorities last night after 16 days of search and pursuit for the fugitive. According to President Marcos Jr., Quiboloy's case is from here on entirely in the hands of the judicial system or court of law.
It is now in the court's hands. Wala na sa executive ito. But for the moment, hindi extradition ang tinitignan natin. Ang tinitignan natin ay yung mga kaso na mga complaint na pinila dito sa Pilipinas. At yun muna ang kailangan niyang harapin.
The President also recognized the efforts of the Philippine National Police and Armed Forces of the Philippines in the arrest of Pastor Quiboloy.
But let's be very clear, this was a police-led operation. It was a police operation. Kung ano man ang involvement ng AFP dyan ay, as I said, augmentation. I have to commend our PNP. This is police work at its best.
In relation to Quiboloy's surrender, the chief executive clarified Quiboloy was forced to come out and give himself up because the police had traced his location and was closing in on him. Based on the president's contact, the pastor allegedly requested the presence of the intelligence services of the AFP at his surrender because he doesn't trust the police.
Hindi siya lilitaw kung hindi namin hinabol ng gusto. Ang nangyari, napilitan siyang lumabas dahil malapit na ang pulis sa kanya.
Pastor Apollo Quiboloy is now in the custody of the Philippine National Police and faces a charge of the violation of the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.